Neatly Vegan Sweets will use a QR code and have our future customers to scan it for an additional 10% off on an online order.
It serves to draw customers into our table and then gives them an action they can take without necessarily making a transaction right that minute. The most notable change that we've seen since beginning to use Easy Texting is an uptick in our CRM database. So we have a lot more touch points that we can reach out to regularly to tell them about promotions and where we'll be and how they can support us. We mostly use these 4 features: shareable forms, the QR code generator, one-on-one texting, and group texting. We will be moving into a traditional brick and mortar retail space. So we're going to utilize Easy Texting to let all of our customers and fans know where they can support us physically instead of just online. It's easier than ever for our customers to say, hey, I want to interact with you, and this way is convenient. So if they have a quick question, you don't have to submit a form, you don't have to send an email, you just pull out your phone and boom, you're right in touch with us.